Hi, everybody. Welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedran. The Met Gala is already making headlines, raising a record $42 million for the Metropolitan Museum of Art's Costume Institute. Now, held each year on the first Monday in May, the star-studded event also serves as a major fundraiser and one of fashion's biggest nights. This year's theme, costume art, is expected to set the stage for some bold, creative looks on the red carpet. Repeat standouts, including Rihanna and Kim Kardashian, are known for showcasing some of the event's most memorable looks. This year's gala will be co-chaired by Beyoncé, Nicole Kidman, Venus Williams, and Anna Wintour. On Monday, singer Britney Spears accepted a plea deal in her driving under the influence case. The 44-year-old Spears was not in the Ventura court in California. Instead, her attorney entered the guilty plea to a wet and reckless charge, which results in less severe penalties. Spears was sentenced to 12 months probation and 1 day in jail, credited as time served. She will also be fined and agrees to see mental health professionals on a regular basis. Spears was arrested in March and charged with DUI after she was pulled over for speeding and driving erratically on a Southern California highway. Early this month, Spears' representative said she voluntarily checked herself into a treatment facility. Now, Shakira drew a huge crowd of fans for her free concert in Rio de Janeiro, according to city officials. An estimated 2 million fans gathered at Copacabana Beach Saturday to see the Colombian singer perform. It is expected to be the biggest show of her career. Authorities deployed nearly 8,000 officers along with drones and facial recognition cameras. Brazilian officials described it as the biggest security operation yet for one of Copacabana's legendary mega concerts. Now, the Christopher Martin Foundation continued its Hurricane Melissa recovery efforts last week with a targeted education support initiative in Region 4 in partnership with Hyundai Jamaica, providing essential school supplies to students who sat the primary exit profile PEP and those preparing for the Caribbean Secondary Education Certificate CSEC examinations.
I'm going to be asking the principal about the passes, so I want everybody to ensure that when I ask the principal and I ask the teacher, make sure everybody pass for their first choice. Because that is what we're working towards. Don't it? Yes, sir.
The initiative, part of the foundation's post-hurricane recovery efforts, saw the donation of 600 stationery packages last Monday, including pencils, erasers, and sharpeners. Some were distributed directly to primary schools in St. James, including Barretttown, John Rawlings Success, Flanker, and Bogue Hill, while the remainder were handed over to the regional office in the Ministry of Education, Youth and Information for further distribution to PEP students across primary schools in the region. That's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.